Welcome, Milano family, to another amazing episode of the Milano Cooking Show. Today, we're doing another weekday meal, and these are stuffed zucchini bones. Look at this. And over here, we did some grilled sandies. So stay tuned. The recipe is going to be down below, but watch this. Let's just pop these in and put another one in there. So what I did with our zucchini, boiled it for 10 minutes. Easy breezy, don't need to show it to you. You guys are professionals. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut these little babies in half. And we're going to scoop out the inside. Then what you're going to do is take out the inside. Pop it in a bowl. So we're going to just go like this. And we're going to kind of gently cut around it. And we're going to scoop the zucchini out. All right, so we've scooped these out so they're nice and clean. Look at these. All right, we've got the insides that are here. So you're going to want to chop this up a little bit. And meanwhile, I've got our sandies. Hold on. Those are going. I snuck in another one, so those are doing well. So what we're going to do is put in our mushrooms. Mix it on up. Next, we're going to take some onion. We have some pimento. This gives it a little color. I love adding pimento. Look at this so far. Fabulous. Okay, oh, now we're going to add all of that. Okay, then we're going to go with some breadcrumbs. We're going to go definitely. What are we going to put now? Garlic. Can't forget the garlic. I might see, let's put a little bit of chilies in there just to give it a little bit of kick. Just a little bit. Let's see how much, if that's enough or not. Oh God, look at how good that looks. It's so colorful. I'm going to put in a little bit of flour. Also, just to thicken it up. And we're going to put a little bit of pepper. I'm going to put in a little bit of salt. And we're going to put in a little bit of oregano. And we're going to top it off with cheese once we get it in there. That looks just delicious. I want to mix it all in there. Does it look like there's enough onion? I'm going to put a little bit more onion. And I think we're just about ready to fill these babies up. So we'll be right back in a flash. So we're going to put them in like this. Pop it in like this. Very simple. Now we're going to take our cheese. Look at this. Fantastic. And then we're just going to top it with some cheese. Let's just see how this rolls. I'm going to go a little bit more. We've got these. Look at this. How phenomenal. All right. And now we're going to pop this in the oven. 350 for about 20 or so minutes. We'll be back in a flash. All right. We took these out of the oven. Let's put it out on the tray with our little grilled sandies. Oh, look at those. Weekday dinner. It's delicious. These are zucchini boats. Again, you can add whatever you want inside of them. They're easy, they're healthy, they're delicious. And come on. So thank you so much for joining us. Maybe we'll see you in the showroom, but we'll definitely see you on the next episode. We'll see you soon.